Hello. So today we are going to discuss three important terms that we are going to use throughout this course. The first one is the passive layer. So this is the area of your control that does not change its color, text, or any other attribute. These are just dead pixels of your control that never change. The second term that we are going to discuss is indicators. So indicators, it's the area of your control that changes its position, text, value, or any other attribute that makes your control your control. The third term is active area. So active area is the area of your control that defines the limits of your indicator in this instance. And also that's the area where we want to define what left mouse button click, right mouse button click, or the wheel on your mouse does. So in this instance, the intent is whenever I use my mouse wheel, depending on which direction I'm rolling it, the slider value should either go up or it should go down. The second intent is whenever I right click in this active area, the slider indicator should change from upper to lower or vice versa. So in the next lecture, we'll actually continue completing this design of our control.